Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Dacia Duster. So first of all, if we go to your iTunes, you see there My Radio. You just click on that, you'll see tick next to My Radio. That means any audio that plays through your phone, as long as you've got the media switched on, will play through the audio system in this Dacia. So we'll just go back here, we'll click play on here, and then we go to media. Click media, and you see there Bluetooth audio, media, Bluetooth audio. Sorry, I'll just do that again. Press the button, Bluetooth audio, it's playing, but that's muted. Now, if I turn this up, you won't hear anything just at the moment because it's turned down on here, but I need to be able to control it with this phone, so I can do it very quickly and turn the music on and turn it off quickly so I don't get a copyright infringement. So there we go. Now that's it. That's how you play music through the system. Thanks for watching.